All right, this is a quick reminder that tonight Titans Pro extension expires for lifetime access at $97. If you have this extension, it simply plugs into your Chrome desktop. And I made up this keyword. I haven't looked at anything else. I just put in Halloween word search book. And when I type on the Titan circle T, it actually pulls up really interesting visuals. We can see the search results in terms of search volume, search results, the demand, and the opportunity. The fact that this is color coded gives you a really good just visual as you're doing your research. And I think that's a really important aspect of having a keyword research tool that allows you to cut out time. Okay. So you can see here the opportunity for maybe even Halloween word search puzzle book. There's lots of different things to look at here, and I think that's what you can download all the suggestions and you can watch tutorials. Corvin created this and he's always providing a lot of value. He has a free Facebook group, and there's always ways to make cash by sharing the affiliate link. I will share my affiliate link, but I just wanted to share with you this opportunity to get in on lifetime access for $97. As you guys know, I used keyword research tools to find my winning niche 2 years ago, and that niche is still making me money. So that's less than $1 a day investment, right? Because I've been on KDP for a year and a half. And so I've always been able to find niches. And this is literally the foundation of profitable book income streams is understanding keyword research, being able to come in here, research things, and be able to filter out the noise. When you don't filter out the noise, I think it can make it a lot harder to find success. Here's a Amazon suggestion for Halloween word search puzzle book is word search for kids, right? So there's a lot of really fun things here that we can look at, and it's cool when you click a button, it automatically goes into the word search bar here on Amazon. Okay, so this is great to give you an idea of where you want to publish next, where you want to compete. I love this book. It's a month old. 80s music. That's rad. I'm going to use the word rad because that was set in the 80s, at least in America. So I love keyword research. I like spending time looking. I always like to think, oh, could I outpublish this? Could I create a cover better than this? If the answer is yes, and I'm also interested in the niche, I will publish in it. Okay. So there's a lot of really fun things that you find when you use tools for keyword research. Okay. Which I just did there, right? And I kind of don't want to leave. That was really fun. So again, this is the last day to access the lifetime price of $97. I'll put my link below. And it's always fun to do keyword research. I mean, this one, they published it just 22 days ago, and it's already making $26 a day. So I think that's always really neat to see what's doing really well and ways that you can niche down. This one is 13 days old and it's already off to the races. Okay. So if you're wondering about Halloween, now is the time to publish Halloween. People love celebrating Halloween early, as you can see. Let's actually just look at that. Let's look at Halloween and let's look at our best selling. And I think we'll find that interesting. This would also be fun to look at best selling and recently released because that lets us know what the latest trend is, right? So, one of the best ones selling is only 29 days old. I think that's amazing. Okay, this other one is 10 months old. So, you can see they didn't wait a year to publish for Halloween. They're always getting into the niche early for those profits. Okay. Anyways, I hope that you snag this deal. Lifetime access. You can't go wrong when something's lifetime access. Love you guys. Peace out.